The Seed Saver 200. Unlike conventional feeders, the Seed Saver 200 has a patented spring-loaded shroud that automatically shuts down your seed supply the moment a squirrel or heavier bird hops aboard, without harming them in any way. Because the shroud is weight sensitive, birds can either perch or cling while they feed, unlike those pesky squirrels. The money you'll save on stolen seeds alone will pay for your Seed Saver 200 time and time again. Inside the clear polycarbonate seed tube, a patented seedometer tells you how much seed you have left and how much to put in. Filling up is easy. Remove the Squirrel-proof lid, insert the free spill-proof funnel, and pour. You can hang the Seed Saver 200 almost anywhere you'd like to watch your birds feed. Just leave enough clearance to foil the squirrels. The Seed Saver 200 dismantles easily for regular cleaning. All parts are replaceable and guaranteed 100% squirrel-proof. Now, feed your wild birds and not those problem squirrels with the Seed Saver 200.
The Squirrel Buster Legacy presents a winning combination of features. It has patented, award-winning Squirrel Buster technology with a weight-adjustable closing mechanism. When a squirrel climbs onto the feeder, the seed ports automatically get blocked. Heavier birds can also be shut out as well by a quick, easy adjustment. Both perching and clinging footholds increase bird activity. Woodpeckers and nuthatches welcome the wire mesh, while finches and others favor the perches. The perches are made of stainless steel. Feeder components that hungry, frustrated squirrels might attack are chew-proof. This stops annoying squirrel damage. Special ventilation of the seed tube keeps seeds fresh. The Squirrel Buster Legacy also has detachable components for easy cleaning, filling, and servicing. The tube is tough polycarbonate. It and other components are stabilized against damaging ultraviolet light. The Squirrel Buster Legacy is backed by the manufacturer's lifetime care commitment. When a squirrel climbs onto the Squirrel Buster Legacy, the game is over. It's rigged against them. Every time you fill your Squirrel Buster Legacy, the birds win.
Squirrel-proofing your bird feeders. If you feed birds, you've probably had issues with squirrels stealing seed from your feeders. Squirrels are clever, and if they know they can get an easy meal, they'll keep coming back. Here's how to keep them from stealing food from your bird feeders. Bird feeder placement. No matter what type of feeder you have, putting it in the right location is the easiest way to keep squirrels out. Squirrels are impressive jumpers, and they're able to climb almost anything. We recommend a freestanding pole to hang your feeder from. Most squirrels will be unable to climb the pole, but they may try to jump to the feeder. Be sure your feeder is at least 4 feet above the ground and 8 feet from any point they can leap from. Bird feeder hygiene. Keeping your feeder clean by frequently clearing away excess dropped seed and old seed hulls will make your bird feeder station less enticing to hungry squirrels. Install a baffle to protect your seed. Baffles are designed with squirrel tactics in mind. Squirrels are able to stretch and twist around almost anything, but these domes are engineered to be too wide and slippery to climb. This feeder design has a built-in baffle, but you can buy them separately as well. When placed a foot below the feeder, a pole-mounted squirrel baffle can prevent squirrels from climbing straight up the pole to access the feeder. Even the most determined squirrels can't defeat a properly placed squirrel baffle. Bird feeder cages. Another great squirrel-proofing option is a caged feeder, either purchased as a complete unit or created by adding retrofitted cages around your tube feeders. Choose products with sufficient distance between the cage and the food so squirrels can't reach in. Squirrel-proof feeders. Bird feeders with squirrel-proof features are a great option if you don't already own a feeder. Some squirrel-proof bird feeders are equipped with a weight-sensitive feature, like a motorized spinning perch ring, collapsing perches, or a tilting seed tray. This feeder will seal shut when the weight of a squirrel is placed on one of its perches.
The Perky-Pet Squirrel-Be-Gone 2 is perfect for those birders who have squirrel problems. Featuring a weight-activated perch bar that closes to prevent squirrels from having access to the seed makes it a great solution. Not to mention it has an attractive all-metal design and removable roof for easy filling. In preparation for filling your feeder, first you'll need to remove the rooftop. Using both hands, push in on both sides of the metal hanger and lay the hanger backwards. Next, turn the weather vane on top of the roof counterclockwise and remove. Take out the included pole mount attachment and screws that are located inside the feeder. You are now ready to reassemble and fill your feeder with seed. Take the metal topper and observe the shape of the insert that threads into the feeder support beam. Line up the inserts with the opening in the support beam. Once they are lined up, push down and turn the weather vane clockwise to secure the rooftop closed. To reassemble, take both sides of the handle and squeeze inwards. Push in on both sides and lift up. You are now ready to hang your feeder. Hang your feeder by a hook, the feeder handle, or if you choose to pole mount your feeder, use the included pole mount insert and screws. A good location for your feeder is in the sun. Birds like to feed in warm areas, but keep in mind that they prefer an area that gets little wind. The Perky-Pet Squirrel-Be-Gone 2 is perfect for those who are ready to bird watch in their backyard. Relax and enjoy.